What's up guys, Rosky's Gaming back with another video for you guys, and today I have a video on the Iowa this time, not the Big Mo, sister ship, and this one's probably making you guys go, what the hell's going on? Well, one time I was playing the match and I had to record this where I had the biggest, buggiest thing I have ever had in Warship history. I don't know what the hell's going on, I don't know how the hell it happened, but somehow my game started malfunctioning and this is what I got. And you might want to stay at the end of this video because there's an icing on the cake at the end of this. So I hope you guys enjoy this little mess up that happened in my game. I'm glad I got this on recording, and I wanted to put it out as soon as I could to get rid of it and just have it on the internet for dexterity, you know, that people would see it and know some things that happen out there, some goof ups. Even the best of computers get these little bugs and little mistakes and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and as always, take care of yourselves. Okay, now I don't have to worry about him.
Take your motto shots, Montana shots, straight to speed, and he'll bounce right off. I do that when we talk Montana. Yeah, but that's just RNG. He just takes the first shot. Yeah, but I always have to go, man. I don't understand.
Yeah. And then you got this big fat Nuremberg that's massive armor. There we go.
I don't know what I did that game. I got 40,000 damage. I was better than half the team.
Good job, Blue. Good job, Blue.
Yeah, good job, guys. Yeah, Blue, you were taking some damage from everybody there.
Can't see. What the hell is up with my screen?
Why don't you just restart the game?
Yeah, I think I have a feeling I'm gonna have to, because this says damage upon your spotting, and the numbers are.
I got like billion.
Whoa, whoa. Yeah, I'm gonna reset. Hold on. Wait till you guys see a picture what my port looks like. This is insane, guys. The map is rotating.
Do you have the Titanic playable in your garage?
My map is rotating 360 degrees. It's spinning. My map was... It was like a spinning top, my whole map. The game crashed.